How to sign into Google Wallet app. It's a very simple process and I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Google Wallet app. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to sign into your Google Wallet, all you need is just a Google account. If you have already created your Google account, you can sign into Google Wallet using that Google account. If you are already signed in with your Google account in your device, when you launch this app, it will automatically recognize your Google account and prompt you to choose the Google account that you have in your device. You can select and choose from your available Google account in order to sign into Google Wallet. As you can see over here at the top right corner, you can see the accounts icon. Tap on it. As I was already signed in with my Google account over here, it created my Google Wallet account with this Gmail. Let's say if I want to sign into Google Wallet using a different Google account, here you can see this drop down list. Tap on it. It will list the Google accounts that are connected in my device. I just need to tap on this profile. And there you go. It instantly signed me in using this Google account. Now at the bottom, tap on View Wallet. And that's how you can easily sign into Google Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.